Hi there, and welcome to another tip from Samy's PhotoSchool. My name is Natasha Calzatti, and today I would like to show you a very quick tip on how to change exposure, shadow, highlights without using any sliders in Lightroom. So let's see. Here we have an image that was shot in studio, but you could have any image as long as, or several images that were shot in the same lighting situation, lighting conditions. So let's work on the first image, and then I will show you a quick tip how you can do this to a batch of images all very quickly. So as you can see, my panels are all closed and all I see is the histogram. Now, if I hover over the middle section of the histogram, this is my exposure. Over to the left is my shadow. Over further to the left is my blacks. And you see how it kind of highlights when I move over? So, whites all the way on the right, highlights on the right, middle is exposure, shadow is the left, and the blacks is all the way on the left. Okay, so if I want to darken my blacks, I'll hover over this section right here and I will just move my blacks in. If I want to open up or rather whiten my whites, I can just move that over. If I want my highlights to pop a little bit more, move that over. This is the highlights. If I want my whole exposure to slightly change, so I want this to be moody and dramatic, so I'm going to move my exposure a little bit over to the left and darken. And I'm going to open up my shadows just a little bit. And there you have it. No sliders were used. Now, if you want to change a whole batch of images, that's a bonus tip. Click on one, hold your shift key, click on the last one, and make sure your auto sync is turned on by clicking on the little switch. To turn it on, your auto sync is turned on, and just do the same exact thing. Move your blacks over, move your highlights, or rather whites over to the right, and maybe the highlights a little bit over, and then the overall exposure a little bit darker and a little bit moodier. And there you have it, very quick way to change a bunch of images all at the same time. And then just in case it's hard for you to see what I'm doing on this video, I'm going to drastically change this exposure so that you can see that all of those images just changed all at once because your auto sync is turned on. And now we'll do Command Z to undo that effect. Hey, if you enjoyed this tip, leave us a comment down below, let us know, and if you'd like to see other types of tips, also let us know. And while you're down there, check out the link to my online classes on Lightroom, Photoshop, Capture One, and black and white conversion, and master print class. Subscribe to our channel down below as well, give us thumbs up, ring the bell, and you'll be notified for our next video. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.